How to use the swim spa to cross-train. Engaging in 2 or more types of physical activities forces the muscles to work differently and is a proven way to take athletic performance to the next level. A swim spa can help. Here are 3 amazingly fun cross-training ideas to try with a swim spa at home. Resistance bands for shaping and toning. Lifting weights is always one of the best activities for improving athletic performance, but in water, the benefits are even greater. Adding resistance bands to both ends of your swim spa gives you the extra push you need to see incredible results fast. Low-impact running. An even safer alternative to running on land, treadmill walking in water is easier on the joints, more convenient than visiting the gym, and super fun. Using a treadmill in water is a safe, effective way to continue a cardiovascular regime after injury or during rehabilitation. Continuous lap swimming. Swimming is easily the best activity for cross-training. With a swim spa at home, it's easier than ever to customize the perfect current, adjusting as you gain speed. With regular use, the swim spa can help you keep weight gain in check while building strong, solid muscles. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a swim spa to help improve their overall health and well-being, the Spa and Sauna Company is providing free swim spa test soaks. And we do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute swim call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, just give us a call or go to www.spaandsauna.com.